Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever wanted to sell an old game and pick up a new one, but felt a little shy to ask? Today Hannah is going shopping at GameStop, the friendly video game store you can find all over America. Rows of new and used games, shelves of controllers, and a counter where you can trade in the games you've finished for store credit. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one simple, friendly phrase to ask for anything she needs. Is it okay if I? You can use this exact phrase at GameStop, in any shop, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's go shopping with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Ask to browse the used games. And find one she loves too. Trade in an old game for store credit. And kindly ask a staff member to slow down. 3. Pre-order a new release and grab a controller when you're shopping. One soft phrase. Is it okay if I? Can carry you through the whole visit without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to politely ask permission, ask someone to repeat something slowly, ask about prices, and place an order, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside GameStop. Here are today's 5 GameStop key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Is it okay if I look at the used games over here? Is it okay if I look at the used games over here? This is today's magic phrase. Is it okay if I? Is a warm, polite way to ask permission. It sounds gentle and respectful, and it makes the other person happy to say of course. You can put almost anything after it. Key phrase 2. Could you say that again, a little slower? Could you say that again, a little slower? A kind, easy way to ask someone to repeat themselves when they talk too fast. No stress. Key phrase 3. How much would I get for trading this in? How much would I get for trading this in? A natural way to ask about the value of your trade-in. Key phrase 4. Could I pre-order the new game? Could I pre-order the new game? A polite way to place an order for something before it comes out. Key phrase 5. Do you have any controllers in stock? Do you have any controllers in stock? An easy way to ask if a shop has an item available right now. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at GameStop. Hannah steps into GameStop, past the wall of glowing new releases, toward the shelves of pre-owned games. Behind the counter is Josh, a nervous new GameStop employee in his early 20s, still learning the ropes, eager to help but a little unsure of himself.
Hi. Is it okay if I look at the used games over here?
Oh, yes. Yeah, totally, go ahead. The used games are all on that middle shelf. I think. Let me double check. Yep, that's them.
Great, thank you. Oh, I've been wanting this one. Is this a used copy?
Let me see. Ah, yes. Pre-owned. GameStop tests every used game, so it should work perfectly. I'm pretty sure. Actually, yeah, that's our guarantee.
That's reassuring. And it's cheaper than a new one?
Yes. Used ones are always a little cheaper. That's the best part of GameStop, honestly.
Perfect. I'll take this one, then.
Awesome. Great pick. Just bring it to the counter whenever you're ready.
Thank you. You've been really helpful.
Oh, thanks. First week, so glad I got that right.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, is it okay if I look at the used games over here? Soft, warm, and polite. Is it okay if I? Is a lovely way to ask permission. It makes the other person feel respected, so they're happy to say yes. Did you notice Josh was a little nervous? He's brand new. But Hannah stayed friendly and patient, and that made it easy for him to help her. A gentle permission phrase plus a patient smile equals a warm, easy start. At the trade-in counter, Hannah sets down an old game she's finished. Helping her is Danny, a cheerful, veteran GameStop employee in his 50s who's seen every console come and go and loves a good joke.
Hi. Is it okay if I trade in this old game?
Absolutely. Bringing the old to fund the new. That's the circle of life at GameStop. Let's see what you've got here.
How much would I get for trading this in?
Okay, so this one's eligible for trade credit, and if you go with the power-up rewards bonus instead of cash, you bump it up another 10% towards store credit today.
Sorry. Could you say that again, a little slower?
Of course. No rush. 2 choices. 1. Take cash. 2. Take store credit, and store credit gives you a little extra. More money if you spend it here today.
Ah, I understand now. Then store credit, please. I'm buying a game anyway.
Smart shopper. See, that's what I like to hear. GameStop should put you on the poster.
Maybe one day.
There's your credit. Spend it well.
Thank you so much. You made that so easy.
Look how smoothly Hannah handled that. When Danny explained the trade-in quickly, with words like eligible and bonus, Hannah didn't panic. She simply said, "Could you say that again, a little slower?" That is such a useful phrase. It's polite, it's calm, and it tells the other person exactly what you need. Never be afraid to ask someone to slow down. Native speakers do it too. A friendly "could you say that again, a little slower?" turns a confusing moment into a clear one. A calm ask to slow down equals no stress, ever. With her store credit ready, Hannah steps up to the main GameStop counter. Ringing up customers is Sam, a quiet, focused GameStop employee in his 40s, a man of few words who knows every release date by heart.
Hi. Could I pre-order the new game that's coming out next month?
Sure. Which title?
The new racing one. Everyone's talking about it.
Good one. $5 down holds it. Pick it up on release day.
Perfect. And do you have any controllers in stock?
Blue or black?
Ooh. Blue, please. And is it okay if I use my store credit for all of this?
That's what it's for.
Wonderful. The used game, the pre-order, and the controller. All with my credit.
All set. Release day. Don't be late.
I won't. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. GameStop's got you covered.
Thank you. See you on release day.
Wonderful. Hannah browsed the used games, traded in an old one, and pre-ordered a brand new release with a shiny new controller. All with calm, polite English. At the counter she used "Could I pre-order the new game?" to place an order, and "Do you have any controllers in stock?" to check what was available. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one: "Is it okay if I?" A soft question plus a kind helper equals a smooth, happy visit, at GameStop or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah wants to ask permission to browse the used games. Which words fill the blank to make her question polite and natural? Blank. I look at the used games over here? A. Is it okay if B? I really want that C. Give me where. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident shopping anywhere in America. Is it okay if I look at the used games over here? Could you say that again, a little slower? How much would I get for trading this in? Could I pre-order the new game? Do you have any controllers in stock? With these 5 phrases, even a busy shop full of new words starts to feel friendly and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, join us at Crumble Cookies, where Hannah orders from the weekly menu of giant cookies and figures out what to do when her favorite flavor is sold out, all in fresh, easy English. See you next time. Bye-bye.